Hello traders. In today's video we're going to do something pretty cool. We are going to import live index and options prices from thinkorswim into Microsoft Excel. I actually had a viewer ask me about that yesterday who had watched this video I did a while back here on how to import live stock prices into Excel from thinkorswim, and I'm going to link that video up here where my cursor is. But I want to give a shout out to Argonaut 119 who'd asked me this question. They say, can you get stock options pricing or bond prices? And he asked about the Dow Jones and the S&P, and then he asked about dividends and current and historical dividends. Now, I don't know about dividends or bond prices, but I do know that it worked for me when I tried it with the options and the indexes. So a shout out to Argonaut. This video is for you, my friend. So let's go into Microsoft Excel here, and I've got my version of Excel up, and I'm using Professional Plus 2019, and that's the version of Excel I had used in the last video. I know it works with this version. I don't know about other versions. I'm assuming it would. I just think try it and see. So the next thing we're going to need is the formula, and I've got this on a different document. Okay, I just have this typed into Word here. So, and I will put this in the description below. You'll just need to copy and paste it into Microsoft Excel. Now, I know that RTD is real-time data, and I do know that the word last here and the ticker symbol SPY, those need to be all capital letters. So let's go ahead and copy this here. You're selected and copy. Okay, I went ahead and pasted this into this cell right here, and you can see up here in this bar we've got the formula. I'm going to need to expand this a little bit. Okay, so the spider is currently trading for 547.5. Let's make that money. Whoops, okay. Okay, we've got that in money now. So let's go into thinkorswim and just see where the spiders are trading. See if we do have real-time data here. Okay, so the SPY is trading 547.55, and we are trading 547.55 here in Excel. All of a sudden, SPY doesn't want to move. Okay, here we go. Maybe we should put something in like NVDA that's probably really bouncing around all over the place. Why don't we do that real quick? So what I do is I just click up here in the formula bar and backspace through, and then we'll just key in NVDA and just press enter. So NVIDIA is 134.42. Let's look over on thinkorswim here. So we've got NVIDIA 134.47. So we're pretty close. So let's go back into SPY, because I want to do something with pretty active options. Actually, let's look at the indexes first. Let's put in the SPX here, because he had asked about indexes. So if you want the index, if you just backspace through up here in the formula bar and type in SPX, it's going to give you the S&P 500. We're going to have to expand this a little bit here. So the SPX is 5478.60, and it's keeping up pretty good with thinkorswim here. Now, I didn't try it with the Dow, but I did try it with the NDX. Let's bring up the NDX here. And we'll bring in NDX on thinkorswim. I have to expand the cell again. So the NDX is 19,888 and change. And it looks like we're keeping up pretty good here. So let's get back to the SPY, and we'll just put in the SPY here. And we'll go back to TOS, and we'll put in the SPY here. So let's say we want to look at an at-the-money option, maybe around a 547 call option. And let's go to, how about 2 days expiration out to June 20th. and we see we've got the 547 calls here. So what we need is we need the option ticker symbol. And there's a couple of ways you can do that, but I think the easiest way is just to right click somewhere on the bid or the ask price and navigate your mouse down here where it says copy. That will copy this option ticker symbol. So we're going to copy that. Now we're going to go back into Excel and we will click in we'll click in here and we're going to get rid of SPY and we're going to just paste that options ticker symbol in here and press enter. And we can see that the last price traded was $1.66. Let me bring this down and scooch this over again. On my thinkorswim platform, it's hard to see. Just to the right of my green arrow is the last price that this SPY options traded. So the last price was 167. There it just went to 171. Now 169. Now back to 171. So anyway, that's how you do it. And just bear in mind that you need to keep your formula the same up here. I think this is really pretty cool, and I'm going to have to add this maybe to my main thinkorswim spreadsheet, or I mean trade tracking spreadsheet. But anyhow, that's how you do it. It's actually pretty simple, and I just thought I'd put that out there. If you enjoy this content, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel, like the video. Until next time, great trading, everyone.